seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna be. He ain't signed, that ain't a good sign. Change your mind. Good conversation and some rosé wine. Unless there's some other things you got in mind. My baby. Hey. Hey. Smoke got me talking in Dutch. Appealing these bitches, so what? She leaning on me, I'm a crutch. She creaming on me, I'm a crush. Her photos don't need to be touched. She asking why haven't I nut? I didn't know we're in a rush. Enjoying the moment, so hush. My album is paying the bills. I don't even need a deluxe. My stomach is flat as fuck. She still fit that shit in the thud somehow. The fat must have went in the butt somehow. I don't even answer what's up. She saying that shit is natural. I don't care if she making it up. I never put you in no Uber, girl. I'm always gonna sing you a truck. I'm always gonna keep it a buck. You give me that shit and I'm steady on my way. There's a lot of broke niggas round the way, riding around town and they looking for my face. Gotta pray to God above you, girl. You know that savage lady when I hope that you feel the same.
It's about to go down. Got my juices. I'm about to take a bath because I'm just exhausted today for some reason.
Studio. And by the way, she makes a great smoothie. She's single.
And she will be charged for this commercial.
Whoa!
It's a full orange moon. Bruh. You look.
That thing looks crazy.
It's a full
Layer, 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 layer. Layer, 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 layer.
It's so cool. It's a full orange moon. It looks like Mars. Wait, doesn't it look like Mars?
So, garden update. Everything is looking so beautiful and healthy. Okay, that's not growing. What's this? Oh, that's the sunflower. My green beans don't look like they're doing well. I need to water them. I swear I have to water. Look at my green onions. I have to water these like every single day. Otherwise, I'm probably not even gonna eat these, but I'm just growing it just to see what I can grow. Look at my little cilantro. My tomato is getting so big. It's getting huge. I keep finding this like in my, I don't know what that is. Like, what is that? Another day, another sleigh. All right, so I am about to go get my locks retwisted. I'm so excited because it's been a little minute. I think May was the last time that I got it like done. But anyways, and as you know, I have like the whole back row is thinning. So I'm just super excited to like get those fixed. And yeah, so I have on this dress. It's from Shein. And yeah, I got some snacks, some juice, water, because we got to stay hydrated. So let's go. All right. Oh. So, yeah, right. On our way. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's nothing like getting your hair washed by somebody else. Like, it just, when you wash your own hair, it just don't give. But when somebody else does it, so I will see y'all there. Okay, I am back. This is the final look. And my hair ain't long enough for the style that I wanted yet, but I mean, it's still cute, I guess. It's still cute, so. My chili lime green beans, my chili crunch green beans. When I tell you, they so good. Oh my gosh. I just love food. I really do. So I just made me like I call them goddess cereal bowls. But it's basically, because I see it as like an offering to myself, which is a goddess. An offering. Look at this healthy, good. Anyways, okay. So I did a mango base, and then I chopped up some mango, put mango on top. Everything's like sinking in now, but I put bananas, strawberries, and blueberries, some granola on the bottom, and then on the top, and then flax seeds, chia seeds, and some flaked coconut. But I honestly shouldn't have made so much base. But anyways, I'm going to tear this up. So yeah. Oh, I'm also going to put some pecans too, because that's my business. I'm tired today. I just didn't have the energy, so that's why I didn't beat my 5-minute 1,000 jumps goal. My lowest time is 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Today I was just slow, but we still came and conquered, so that's all that matters. Round 2. Number 9, my duty.
She is there.
Get the video.
Hold on, I gotta get the
Hey, look, y'all.
Gotta get the iPad.
Get the whole thing. Zoom out.
All right. Look at this, man. It's from this side all the way to that side. Like, yeah.
It goes in the pond.
Yeah, it goes
each
in the
side.
pond. Look at that thing, man. It's so cool. Oh, I got a perfect view.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Watch out, son.
No.
Yes, son.
No.
Yes.
Hell.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days.